Okay, and we're live. Hey guys, welcome to the full SparkSite product demo. My name is Nelson Cuesta and I am AgentFire's CEO and founder. So my goal here today is very simple. It's essentially to show you guys why more and more agents are choosing AgentFire and why our Spark sites were the #1 reviewed website solution of 2020 with the highest percentage of 5-star reviews on Facebook and Google among every other real estate website platform. So what really sets our Spark sites apart from everyone else is just our intense focus on hyperlocal, right? Ensuring that your website is marketing you above all else and showcasing what makes you special and really demonstrating you as the undisputed hyperlocal authority within your area. When it comes to generating leads, what we found is that it's really not so much, especially these days, 2021 and beyond, it's less about capturing a lead, and really it's more about how do you start a conversation with someone on your website. And Spark sites do this better than anyone else. So let's go ahead and get into it. In today's product demo, I'm going to break down the entire Spark site success formula into 3 very simple steps. Step 1 is the perfect launch. So here I'll show exactly how simple it is to get everything set up. Step 2, the best tools. So here I'll be covering basically all of the amazing tools that come loaded with your Spark site. Step 3 is success. So here I'm going to be walking you guys through the exact path that we've laid out for success to make sure that you're getting amazing results with your Spark sites. All right, so let's dive in. Step 1, the perfect launch. So in the past, it was always very highly technical or time-consuming to set up a real estate website. And that's the way it is with most real estate solutions. So with Spark sites, from the second you choose to get started, you'll be ushered into our Spark Builder, which is an entirely visual experience where basically you just enter in some basic information, you choose a few different options, and voila, you get an amazing looking website complete with all of the core pages and call to actions ready to go. A website and a design that are really perfectly engineered to show buyers and sellers why you are the hyperlocal expert that they need to help guide them to their real estate goals. Now, for as easy as we made it to set up your own Spark site, most of our clients still prefer a more hands-off approach, which is why we've also got a $99 express setup option. So with this option, you just fill out some forms and our team takes care of the rest. Now, AgentFire built its reputation on our amazing designs. And so I'd be remiss if I didn't also mention our custom design options. So if you prefer to work one-on-one with a top designer to build the exact set of your dreams, you can actually upgrade the design of your Spark site to either our semi-custom or fully custom design option. If you are a brokerage or you need something extremely custom, then check out our enterprise design option, which is basically just like a scope and quote. So, all right, I think we've got design out of the way. Hopefully you guys are following along. Let's move on to step 2, the best tools. So once you're inside of your Spark site, you'll basically have access to all of the industry-leading tools that you're going to need to be able to drive results. So as I mentioned at the very top of this presentation, hyperlocal is kind of our thing, right? It's our bread and butter. And nothing says hyperlocal expert quite like our area guides feature, which is massively updated for 2021. So starting at the top of the page, we've got these brand new interactive lifestyle headers, which now feature AI-driven SEO-friendly descriptions, which are auto-generated based on local market data. You can, of course, add to those descriptions or even create your own, as well as add your own photos, videos, etc. It's also got fully filterable IDX feeds for local listings, school information, which includes star ratings for each school, Yelp top local businesses, and you can even connect relevant blog posts. Now, you may be saying to yourself, okay, definitely the best area pages I've ever seen, but how do they capture leads? Well, again, brand new for 2021, we've got these fully automated market reports, which are prominently featured as CTAs within each area page. So again, when it comes to lead capture, we look at it as how do we start a conversation? Which is why with our Engage CTA tool, you can essentially target the perfect CTA to any page on your Spark site. So for example, on your area pages, you may want to try out our Social Locker CTA. So the way that this works is it essentially locks the page. You can lock any page that you consider to be high value, and then you give your visitors the option to access the page using either their Facebook or Google login. On your homepage or About page, you should probably use our Schedule a Call CTA, which even integrates with Calendly so that visitors can actually book time directly into your available time on your calendar. On your blog pages, if you have a newsletter or if you're trying to build one, you'll probably want to use the Newsletter Opt-in CTA. Or if you have a Facebook business page and you're trying to drive more engagement there, why not use our Facebook business page CTA? So your Spark site also includes features like AF listings, which allows you to beautifully feature your listings in virtual open houses, or even promote your own existing listings to get even more listings. Convert pages, which gives you access to a full library of top performing landing pages. These are highly customizable, easily editable, and can be launched with just a couple of clicks. So I should also mention quickly here that our entire platform features our own proprietary visual editor. So regardless if you're editing a page, post, area guide, listing, landing page, it's all a completely visual experience. So you don't need to be a techie. You just click where you want to edit and that's pretty much it. So then we also have our guide creator feature, which comes loaded with customizable lead magnet real estate guides, like buyer guides, seller guides. We've even got a first-time home buyer guide and a lot more. So you can take these guides and you can customize them, or you can even create your own guides. Our customers love using these guides in CTAs on their website, as well as in their own PPC advertising. We've also got some amazing blogging features. So Spark sites are built on WordPress, which is renowned for its blogging and SEO power. But within your Spark site, you've also got an integration with a company called TextBroker. You may have heard of them. Basically, you can easily order custom written articles by highly rated authors. So when you've got a blog article ready to go and you click publish, we're also going to make sure that that article is automatically syndicated to all of your favorite social networks like Facebook and LinkedIn, right? But what is the point of having all of the best tools if you don't know how to drive results with them, right? And so that brings us to step 3, success. So with other solutions, one of the biggest frustrations that agents experience is in not having a clear path to success, right? And so with Spark sites, what we've done is we've literally laid out the exact path that hundreds of our clients have followed to drive incredible results. So when you log into your Spark site, the first thing you're going to be greeted by is your success dashboard, where you can access all of our support resources, including step-by-step guides that will help you drive results in everything from Google rankings to lead gen to building brand equity, all with world-class support and customer success managers only a click away. And as your business begins to grow, it's also important that you have a website solution that you can scale with, right? Which is exactly why you guys are going to love our marketplace. And so our marketplace is where you can find premium add-ons such as Blog Assist Pro, which will give you 1 expertly written blog post per week, Click Maps. These are visual interactive maps that are custom made to your specifications, where each clickable area can be linked directly to your area pages or IDX pages. It's easily our favorite add-on among clients. We've also got AF Home Valuations, which is our automated home valuations tool. We've also got lots of other great add-ons as well. So speaking about success, one of the best things you could do for success is to run successful Facebook and Google PPC marketing, which is why you'll be very happy to learn that our marketplace also features exclusive marketing partners. So we only partner with top-rated companies in the industry, like Dippity and GGG Media. Our partners are also certified Spark site experts, which means that they know how to best leverage all of our buyer and seller lead generation tools into the marketing that they're going to be running for you. So all right, guys, that was a lot. We've reached the end of our product demo. The last thing I want to mention here is that, guys, really, the proof is in the pudding, right? We've got the best reviews. We've got amazing websites. We've got industry-leading tools. We've got success managers. We've got top-rated partnerships. But you guys still need to put in the work for this to be able to work. And if you can do that, I promise there is no better solution out there to help you drive results. So last thing I'll mention, I promise, we've actually prepared a special page for everyone here at Inman Connect, which you'll find at agentfire.com/Inman. There you can start a 10-day free trial, book a one-on-one demo with a product specialist, and as a special promo for Inman, we're going to also include either a free express setup or we'll discount $200 off of a semi-custom or fully custom design upgrade. Again, that's agentfire.com/Inman. Thank you guys so much for watching this webinar, and I very much hope to see you on board.